What week is this? Is this like week number 7 already? 7 weeks in a row that we've been doing Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays. I don't know how I'm keeping up with this, man. Saturday morning, I am tired. Got my cup of coffee over here, but you know, I gotta do it, man. Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays needs to be completed. So we're gonna keep doing it. Hopefully I can still bring the energy for you guys though. 2,500 bucks, $2,500 from Soul Steals. It's a sneaker mystery box. It's gonna be crazy. 2,500 bucks, man. It has to be, right? Anyway, that is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a Soul Steals mystery box, sneaker mystery box at $2,500. So it's gonna be a huge box, high tier, 2,500, man. Those are the biggest boxes and they're definitely the ones with the most heat. I am hoping that's the case for this one, but we have to see. Anyway, before we check out this box though, I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Otherwise known as RG&B, they are the minimalistic jewelry company that is coming out with the greatest necklaces and bracelets, man. As you guys can see over here, I'm actually wearing the grenade necklace on like that cause tee. White t-shirt, man, black necklace. It comes out really good. You don't need to be like crazy in fashion to appreciate something that's just like really easy to just throw on, you know, and go out and do your thing. So that's why I really enjoy it, man. It's just like subtle style, you know. So what you guys are gonna do is go down to the description below. If you guys click on that link, it will take you to Rose Gold and Black, where you will get 30% off your order as well as free shipping, man. So that is huge savings on top of already great priced items. And that's what I really love about it, man, is because they're creating opportunities for people to be stylish for a price that you can be comfortable with. So check it out, highly recommend it, man. Great company, Rose Gold and Black. Anyway, I'm excited to check out this box, so let's get into it. 2,500 bucks from Soul Steals. Okay, so good news here, man. Everything has a box in here, which is really great. And I already see some like hype stuff on the top, so I don't want to show you guys that just yet. What we do have is a pair of Nike ACG Dog Mountains in a size 8. Okay, this is a crazy shoe. I don't know too much about the ACG line. I know they're very good for like hiking and like mountain trails and stuff. But this one looks like it's in dead stock condition, and the colorway is not too bad. Dead stock, got the lace back still attached, bottom super clean, so that is what you like to see for a first shoe, man. If it's gonna be a more obscure shoe, I'd rather it be dead stock because that means it's easier to sell. I actually would have thought about keeping this if it was a size 10.5, dude. We have like a lot of mountain trails and stuff in Hawaii, so maybe I should check out the ACG line. If you guys have ever used any of those shoes, let me know in the comments below. Really want to hear how like that like all conditions gear works and like if it's actually good for like hiking and stuff. Okay, next up we got a Nike Zoom Vomero 5 men's size 12. Okay, what the heck is this thing, dude? What? I really have not seen this thing before, man. This is an ugly shoe. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, man. I don't like this. This is gross. It is a Zoom Vomero, I guess. Vomeros I know are running shoes because I used to have a pair of Vomeros, but this is like a weird one. This looks like something you would use in like a back of the house kitchen restaurant kind of deal. It looks like it's like slip resistant. This one is dead stock, but what the heck is this? What is this for? Tell me what this is for. Is that like for balancing or something, or like ankle weights? I don't know. I don't like this. Who likes this? If this is worth like 500 bucks, I'm probably gonna be changing my tune and being super hyped over it, but I don't see it. I don't see it. 2 interesting sneakers so far, 2,500 bucks. Not very exciting, but I can see that there's some great boxes in here. So let's keep going. Next up is a Nike box. This one is a, okay, size 10 to 11. So that's a medium. 4 Air Presto Mid acronyms. What colorway we got though? Woohoo! Wait, what? Is this a series 1 acronyms? Oh man, this is an interesting one because these shoes are actually really hyped and they're worth a lot of money. But I saw something on here that I'm not a big fan of. This is why you have to examine the shoes very carefully, man, because this one has a hole inside of the netting. So it looks like there's a little like tear or a cut that came about right here. Rest of the shoe looks fine, and I mean, that's cool. I don't see any other damages. Bottoms aren't that bad. Uppers look fine, and the zipper and stuff is intact, but this right here is gonna destroy the value. So I'm not super big on that. I can actually fit a 10 to 11, so maybe I'll use these as like gym shoes or something if I can't get good value out of it, which is unfortunate, man, because these acronym Prestos should actually fetch some good money. So hate to see it. You hate to see it. What a bummer. That sucks. Something that doesn't suck. This is a off-white box in a size 9 Air Max 90. Ooh, Ooh, and this one is super clean, man. So this is the Air Max 90 from the original, the 10 collection. This is probably the best value one. I know they came out with like the Desert Ore and they came out with like that all black one, but this one right here is the OG original off-white from the 10, and it is in very clean condition, dude. Like, check this out, Air Max 90 off-white, and this is super clean for a worn sneaker. There's like no damage on the uppers, it looks like, no holes thankfully in this one. And the bottoms aren't that bad at all, so this is a huge pickup, man. God, what size was this again? Size 9? Ugh. I would have thought about keeping this one, dude. This is clean with the green laces they put on too. Really like this pop, very sick sneaker, and I think there's gonna be some dope value on this one. I'm sure that's a great boost to the counter, and now we're starting to look more like a $2,500 Soul Steals beater box, man. Okay, next out is a Jordan 1 box. You guys know what it is. This one, ooh, in a size 11. Okay, this is my size. Oh, wait, what? Is this a replacement box? No! Heartbreaker, man. Heartbreaker, because this one said that it was a black and white Jordan 1, which I actually have been looking for. It's on like my GoDap want list, but this is not the black and white version. This is a pair of All-Star 1s in a size 10, so it's not even the right size. Unfortunate, man. I really got excited because I have been looking for that black and white Jordan 1. If you guys have one in a size 10.5, 11, maybe even 10, let me know in the comments below. I'm kind of looking for one. All-Star 1s, otherwise known as a chameleon, because it has like that kind of like pearlescent, I think, kind of look, where it like looks like a chameleon, you know, it changes colors and whatnot. So that's always been very cool to me. This one is in really solid condition. Bottoms, for a translucent sole, that's not that bad either. So this is dope. I can see why it's in a replacement box because the condition is pretty premium on this. Okay, so there's 2 shoes left in this box. I gotta tell you guys, they're both bangers. I'm hoping, I mean, I see the boxes. Let's take a look, let's take a look. Again, we have another off-white box. This one is the 10, okay. Nike Air Max 97 OG in a size 12. Yes, okay. So this one wasn't in a replacement box. This one is actually the size 12 Air Max 97. And this one is super clean. So original 10 collection, again, you guys can look at it over here. Very clean. The laces have been taken off, but you can check it out. Black laces, white laces. Also has a zip tie in the box, but for the shoe itself, looks very dope. For an all white sneaker, this is in very clean condition. I don't see any markings on it. Bottoms, you can tell it's worn, but overall still very quality. So this is another good pickup. Also comes with that life is greater than shoes sole supremacy sticker. I don't really know the market for off-whites, but this one has to be a good shoe. It has to be pretty up there. So guys, we got 2 off-whites, and I gotta tell you, those aren't the money shoe of the box. I saw what the money shoe of the box was. I'm hoping, because I've seen the box and I know what shoe box this is, so fingers crossed we get a good pair here, because this is the money shoe of the box. And for 2 off-whites in the same box, both from the 10, that is saying something. So let's take a look at what we got. This one, do you guys know what this box is, man? Union Jordan 1 box. One of the contenders for sneaker of the year last year. Oh, and this one is in a size 11. That's my freaking size. Oh my gosh. Dude, oh god, if this is dead stock, man, if this is dead stock, I'm gonna be freaking stoked. Let's check it out. It looks really clean. It's, oh god, okay, it's not dead stock, but you know, maybe that's a good thing. Maybe that's a good thing. This one is in a size 11, Jordan 1 black toe unions, but it's like super clean, dude. Like, check this out. No toe box creasing really at all on this shoe. I don't see any of it over the top over here. Back looks completely fine. It's not like there's like that heel creasing. You guys can see that the bottoms, you can tell that it's been worn. It's been on like concrete or something, but other than that, this is probably one of the cleanest like used pairs of Jordan 1 black toes you will ever see. And I actually gotta let you guys know that you guys can see it over here. I have one on the back, Jordan 1 black toe union. That one is still in dead stock condition. So what I think I'm gonna do now, because I have this size 11 that I can fit, I'm probably gonna swap this one out, and then I can wear this without like fear, you know, of having to take that first step in the sneaker, and I can probably sell that one for better value. So that is super sick. Ooh. I told you guys, man, banger box. I saw this from like the get-go and I was like, okay, no matter what happens in this box, we get that weird Vomero or whatever. I know this was gonna save the day at least a little bit. So super stoked on that. Anyway, guys, that is it for that box. That box is tapped out. 2 off-white sneakers, 1 Jordan, 1 Union, a couple other good sneakers in there. We got that Jordan 1 All-Star, and then those random like runner and like hiking shoes. So that's not bad at all, man. I'm hoping that the value on the counter was crazy, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video because I am really pumped over that. That was a solid box, dude. God, man, that was dope, and I'm super like, I'm just thinking about how excited I am that I don't need to unds that anymore. So very cool. If you guys are interested in any of the shoes that you guys saw in this box, feel free to check out untiedhawaii.com. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It takes like 1 second. Shows me that you guys want to see more mystery boxes from this company. Souls Deals is like 2 for 2 on like sneaker mystery boxes, beater boxes, whatever you want to call them. Both hyped, both dope. So I'm hoping we can run it back one more time, see what we got. But that is it for this video, man. Until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next one. Aloha. Shoot!